Hey guys, if you're new, welcome to our channel. Else, welcome back to the second vlog of this channel. This video demonstrates our lovely weekend here back in Riyadh. We had an amazing evening with Mother Nature. What more can I say? Enjoy! It was a brand new day and we started off late afternoon, kinda like in the evening of around 4:30 p.m. This place isn't really far away from our house, it's nearby to our home. This is a very breathtaking view from the top before you go to the main spot. The weather wasn't really hot, nor was it too breezy. It was kinda like humid. Like other days, it wasn't really crowded here today. An amazing evening with a raft of ducks, ducklings, school of fishes. What more could you expect? In the meantime, we had also managed to make a meal for us. Garlic bread, more like garlic buns with Hydrabath ginger tea. Dad cut us the buns while we were entertaining ourselves. My sister loves ducks and ducklings, and so she fed them with stale buns. Mom spread the garlic paste on the buns, making us a delicious evening meal with tea. Look at these adorable twins. How cute are they? In the meantime, we did see a florist trading beautiful red, yellow and much more colored flowers, and we did buy ourselves one as well. And for a difference, Mom was really amused of making tea right on the spot, and so we did make Hyderabad tea. My siblings were really amused to catch this beautiful little duckling. It was an amazing evening with ducks and little ducklings here and there in the water. Also, one of the biggest reasons why people visit this place is just for a hobby. They love feeding the ducklings and the ducks, and they love seeing the fishes. It's an amazing place to be. This place is really clean. This place is really popular for fantastic evenings, for it has very nice and beautiful views. It was prayer time and it was pretty much getting dark. In the meantime, I would like to say, if you all enjoyed this video, just make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe by hitting on the red button and turn on post notifications to be notified whenever we post. Sadly, it was time to go home, but it was one of our best evenings here. If you enjoyed the video, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Bye.